When considering dental implants, we understand that cost is an important factor. And when you go from office to office, you're going to see a variety of prices. But one thing to make sure of is that you're comparing apples to apples. Some offices will finish their final product in an acrylic or plastic material. Where here we use only porcelain-based materials that are stronger, more aesthetic, and more hygienic. It's also important to make sure that you're getting a quote that's an all-in price. Some offices you'll go to and one doctor will do the surgery and you'll get a fee for that, but then you might be surprised later with a fee for the final restoration. What sets us apart here is that you're going to be treated by the same doctor from start to finish. That allows us to control the whole process, but make sure that we're giving you a quote that's all in, that there's no surprises at the end of the procedure. So it's important for an accurate quote, you need to come in for a visual examination. We'll take a 3D cone beam CT scan and we'll see what you really need. For some people, all they need is a standard single implant and there's a specific cost for that. But if we assess you and we see that you need an additional procedure such as a bone graft to build out the foundation, a gum graft for better support for that implant, then there'll be additional costs for that. So you want to make sure that you're getting the quote for all of that together and that you're with somebody who knows to make sure that you do have those additional procedures done if needed. We offer a variety of financing options. For some smaller cases, we'll do interest-free in-house financing where we can take you over several months of payments to cover the cost of your treatment. But we'll also work with third-party financing that can go up to 5 years of payments for some of those larger cases. We want you to invest and enjoy your life now, enjoy eating, enjoy smiling, and we understand that sometimes that has to be paid off over a period of time to achieve that.